Well, let me tell you, you can start earning consistently if you simply stop guessing. That's the conclusion I reached after several years of trading practice. In this video, I'm going to show you a strategy that can completely show the way you see trading and money. If you watch till the end, you'll understand what system I use to make my every trading decision. It's a clear and transparent strategy that I personally use at least a few times a week. And it actually brings results. For example, today I added $7,360 to my balance. I'll show you exactly how to use it step by step. A simple algorithm, precise signals, and my full confidence in each trade. So tell me if you are ready to begin, because I sure am. Every day I discover something new on the chart, new strategies, unexpected price behavior, or unusual chart reactions. And I share all of it in my Telegram channel. Concise, to the point, with a focus on real practical application. If you want more than just to watch, if you want to grow, notice some details that other people do not, and just learn to see deeper, join us, the link is in the video description. That's where the most awesome trading community is. So one of the most important steps to successful trading is properly setting up your platform. Chart type candlestick, time frame 30 seconds, indicators, accelerator, oscillator, and stochastic oscillator. Together they give great entry points, confirm momentum strength, and help reduce false signals. I'll now adjust the settings for accelerator oscillator. They help catch the beginning of momentum shifts quickly even before the reversal starts. It works well in combination with stochastic. Now setting up stochastic oscillator. Which turned out to be sensitive to short-term price moves, very effective for identifying reversals and corrections. Visually, I'll adjust the colors to make them more saturated and remove any unnecessary lines. And that's enough. You do not need to overcomplicate anything. Just follow the setup and take action. So let's start with the first trade. I'm entering a sell trade for $2,000, trade duration 2 minutes. Let me explain. The accelerator oscillator is showing red bars below zero. This signals weakening bullish momentum. Moreover, the bars are shrinking, meaning buyer strength is fading and sellers are starting to take over. The market is running out of fuel. Price is losing upward speed. A downward pullback is likely starting soon. Stochastic oscillator is above level 80, the overbought zone, where price usually starts turning down. The lines on the stochastic are already curving down, exiting the overbought zone. This is a signal to sell. Traders are recognizing the overbought condition and starting to lock in profits, so price is headed down. The latest candle is bearish, closing below the previous one, showing that sellers are applying pressure. All indicators are aligned, confirming the end of upward momentum and signaling a drop. Did you catch that? Let's wait for the result. $3,840, great start. Let's keep going. Next trade, I'm opening a buy position for $2,000. No doubts here. The stochastic lines have just exited the oversold zone below level 20 and are now pointing firmly upward. This shows bullish momentum is building. That means the market is ready to reverse upward. The accelerator oscillator histogram has just flipped from red to green. This means the bearish impulse has ended and a bullish one is starting. 2 green bars in a row, that's a confirmed buy signal. The latest green candle is large and closed above the previous bodies, breaking through the previous downtrend. All indicators are giving clear, simultaneous signals to go up. Now waiting for the result, $3,840. That's quite inspiring. I know the strategy inside and out. I've tested it deeply and thoroughly. So do you want to learn to notice what pros can see? Subtle signals, price behavior, and key zones, the little details others miss, those only come with practice. In Telegram, my team and I focus on exactly that every day. I share fresh strategies that bring results, break down live charts, and discuss all the nuances of real trades in the moment. So if you want to not just know, but truly see and understand the market, then you are very welcome to join us. The link is in the video description. Alright, I'll continue. What happens if I enter now? Let's find out. Opening a sell for $2,000. The histogram has turned from green to red, and several bars in a row are now below zero. This means downward momentum is accelerating. Stochastic oscillator was in the overbought zone above 80 and now is dropping sharply, a classic sell signal. The market is overheated and is reversing. Look at the last two strong red candles. This shows sellers have taken over. The second red candle is larger than previous green ones, meaning the bearish impulse is growing. All three tools, accelerator, stochastic, and price action, gave synchronized sell signals, and that increases the reliability of the trade. Waiting for the close, $3,840. The chart gave us such clean signals I didn't even need to hunt for an entry. Perfect timing. So let's wrap it up with one more trade, entering a sell for $2,000. Now look why. It's all perfect clear. Stochastic oscillator was in the overbought zone above 80, and now the lines are sharply turning down. That's a sign that buyers are losing strength, and a pullback or reversal is likely. Accelerator oscillator histogram just flipped from green to red, and several bars are now trending down. This means not just a beginning of a move, but an acceleration downward. Red bars below zero line, a classic sell signal. Before entry, there was a strong red reversal candle after an upward move, and the fall continued. All three indicators are in agreement. This is a very strong entry point for a sell. And waiting for the close? Yes, $3,840. This was quite powerful. I mean, am I right or am I right? Man, I love profits like that. By the way, 92% of all trades closed in the money. So I've just shown you how my strategy works and how you can use clear signals on the chart to get real consistent results. In trading, it's not just about having a system. It's about attention to detail, patience, and a genuine interest in the whole process. And if you want to go deeper, get more value, and ask any kind of questions related to trading, click the link in the video description to join our Telegram channel. I'd really love to chat and help you moving forward. This was Ronnie. See you next time, and happy trading.